Hello guys, after a long time, welcome back to our YouTube channel PabrozLab, where we discuss about the electronics product. Today we are having a quick revision towards our toolkit. Previously I was using this soldering iron, which was 220 volt 60 watt, but recently today I got my new package from my vendor, and now I will be using this soldering iron SL908 from the Sunshine. You can see this from Sunshine, very good product. And let's unbox it. Okay, this one is Sunshine 908, temperature controlled one. Yes, looks beautiful, comes with good packaging. This one is Sunshine 60 watt soldering iron. We'll test it. Okay, let's put it. I also got some JYD extra tips. Okay, let's open how they look. Okay, we have got 3 extra tips. This one is T1, comes with a very sharp tip. This one is a bit blunt and curved angle, and this one is a bit thick angled one. You can see. Okay, we have this tool, and we have other. This one is tweezer, anti-magnetic tweezer. That one is from Mechanic. This one is angle tweezer. Let's unbox it. Okay, quite a bit difficult. Let's tear it. Okay, doesn't directly opens from here. Okay, comes with safety cap. This one is small, handy, but quite good. Yeah, you can see it can hold it. Quite sharp edges, quite angled sharp edges. So this one is quite good. This one is from Mechanic G15 model. Okay, I also have another one, Relife precision tweezer. Okay, let's open this. How is it like? Okay, packaging are quite good. This one is a bit longer, sharp, Relife RT14A model. Okay, this one is sharp, very sharp. Okay, this one can also hold very quietly. Okay, we can hold this like this one. Very sharp. You can see this. Okay, I have another one. Inside all of them, one cutter, very powerful cutter, Relife RL001 model. This one is angled cutter, diagonal cutter. This one is very sharp, precise one, very sharp. And I already have this JYD paste, and there's 2 coil of these Bharti soldier wire, 2 coil. Okay, let's test. Keeping everything aside, let's test the soldering iron. Okay, let's try. Okay, we'll will be testing our soldering iron. Okay, just okay. Yes, it fits well. Okay, let me take something. I'll just have this one as my holder. Okay, let me first check the soldering iron temperature. Okay, you can see clearly, it's just glowing very good. Okay, we have currently you can see the 300 temperature. We can increase just like this. Okay, for your visibility, let me just put some. I'm dipping this into this paste. Okay, this one is in 200 temperature. Let me keep it to 300. Okay, now I have just set this iron rod to 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, oh sorry, some problem. Okay, we will be desoldering this. I have this one to solder and desolder. Okay, let's try. Okay, you can see it's smoke here. Okay, so it's already hot. Let me put some paste here. Okay, you can see it's just working well. You can see the hot smoke coming out. It's working well. It's now in 300 degrees Celsius. Let's keep it up to 250. Okay, I'm keeping it to 200 for some time. I'm just moving everything aside. Let's make the tip. Let's use our cutter. Okay, that was a fantastic one. Okay, yes, this is working fine. Okay, we have got one. Okay, wire cutter working fine. Okay, we have two. Let's, before soldering, I'm just dipping these wires into paste so we can solder it wisely. Okay, I will be using this Bharti solder coil. Okay, let me first clean the tip. Let me solder here first. Okay, the tip is hot. Yeah, it's blowing. Yeah, just like that. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let me put it some closer. Yeah, I think you can see it clearly.
One eternity later.
Here you can see it's soldered properly. You can see this. So still some smoke coming out of here. You can see I have just put this thermal temperature soldering iron in 350 degrees Celsius. It's giving a quite good amount of heat, so it's good. This was for today. Keep watching PabrozLab. We will be back again with the real PCB soldering with some basic component. Thank you for watching. Subscribe PabrozLab for more.